All right, we have a new way to add social networking links, so let me show you. So let's say I was building a page from scratch, and I wanted to have social networking links. Okay, now you don't need to use the social media tab on the left because on the drag and drop editor, we've added this new section, and you can see all the links right here. So you can click edit, and then you could just fill out your links like this. You have to have the full link, but it would be HTTP. So for example, HTTP www, it's actually HTTPS these days, www.facebook.com/username. And now you can also choose what color you want, white, blue, or black. So let's say Facebook, I want to move that blue color. And then say Twitter, or let me do Instagram here because this is kind of cool. HTTP www Instagram.com / I'll use mine, sneaker dubs. Okay, if I hit save, well, I want to make that pink. Hit save. And so now you see I got a blue Facebook symbol and I got a pink Instagram symbol. And it also depends, how cool that'll look depending on the background. So let me just change the background here since I have a pink background. Let me go into, let's say, textures. We just added a ton of new backgrounds too, by the way. Let me scroll down because we added a bunch of cool ones down. Okay, so let's say I wanted this cool looking stone background. And there they are. But they're not showing up as good on this background, but here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change the opacity here. And now you'll see it. So sometimes you got to change the opacity depending on what kind of background you're using, but you can do that. Now, if you don't want any social networking links, okay, at all, you just hit delete. And it'll ask you if you're sure, say yes, and bye-bye, they're gone. All right, let me show you if you've already had a page built and maybe you didn't have social networking links in there and you want to add social networking links. Okay, cool page I built last night. I wouldn't really add social networking links to a capture page, but I'm going to show you for example. You just hit edit components, scroll down, and now you'll see the social networking links button. You just drag it over, and then again, you can edit and choose the colors that you want to use with your links. Hit save when you're done, and it will add your social networking links. Again, if you don't want them on the page, hit delete. That's how you add and take away social networking links on the Conversion Pros.